Hi everyone! In this unit about staffs, clefs, and note names, we will look at the clefs that are used by the instruments in the string orchestra. In the last lesson, we learned that too many ledger lines can be difficult to read. To correct this problem, we can use multiple staves to reduce the number of ledger lines we have to read. But how do we differentiate between the notes on an upper staff versus a lower staff? The answer is we use clefs. By adding a clef at the beginning of each staff, it helps us identify the range that staff is attributed to. The treble clef is used by the violin, and it encircles the second line, which is identified as the note G. The treble clef is also called a G clef. The bass clef is used by the cello and string bass. The difference is that the bass sounds one octave lower than the cello when they read the same note. The two dots on the bass clef surround the fourth line, identifying it as the letter F. The bass clef is an F clef. The alto clef is used by the viola. It highlights the center line, which is the note C. The alto clef is one of the many C clefs. This C is also known as middle C. If we look at middle C on the treble clef, you'll notice that middle C is on the first ledger line below the staff. On the bass clef, middle C is the first ledger line above the staff. By merging these three staves together, you can see how the clefs relate to each other around the note middle C. Now read lesson 2.2 in your workbook and complete the exercises for this lesson. In the next lesson, we will review note names. My name is Christopher Selby. Thank you for watching this tutorial on music theory for the successful string musician.